In the previous session, we learned about the various types of assessment, such as formative assessment and summative assessment. We have seen various tools which we can use to assess students formatively as well as summatively in online mode. In this session, let us understand practically two tools, Mentimeter and Kahoot, and how to use them in the teaching learning process of online learning while assessing students in formative assessment and in summative assessment. So first let us understand the tool called as Mentimeter. If any time while assessing students formatively, if you want to take polls, we can use the tool called as Mentimeter. Okay, now how to use Mentimeter? So when you want to use tool like Mentimeter, you have to type mentimeter.com and you will see this interface which is opening. Now, when you want, after typing mentimeter.com, there are two things. One is mentimeter.com, which teacher will be using, and menti.com, where student will be using. Okay, so whenever you want to create a quiz on Mentimeter or a poll on Mentimeter.com, always go as Mentimeter.com, not Menti.com. Now, in Mentimeter.com, you have to first sign up, put your details if you have not done it, or otherwise directly you can log in. So if I log in, I get this option: log in with Google, log in with Facebook, or log in with Microsoft. So I will log in with Google. So I can log with using my Google Gmail credentials. So this is how the actually the interface of Mentimeter.com looks like. Okay, if you want to have a pro version, you can upgrade. I am using a free version. Now let us create one poll wherein you have to go to first new presentation. So click on new presentation. So where is blank course expectation survey, all these things are there. You can explore these later on. Let us start with a blank because I want to create something new. Now you have option like multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended, scale, ranking, question answer. So I will go for multiple choice. Okay, you will have option here. Now multiple choice, you can have multiple choice again, word cloud. So let us have multiple choice. Now I have to type question. Now question which I want to take poll from my student is: which method is the best method for learning according to you? So this is my question. So I am putting options now. Since there will be no correct option here, I want opinions of the student. So otherwise, if you have to, there is one correct answer, you can put as tick there as one that correct answer. Now option I want to put as first online, second option face to face, third option blend. Okay, if you want to put some image also, you can put image segmentation also, you can do that. So now this is ready. Now I want to take this poll. If you want to put one more slide, you can click as new slide and one more slide can come. Now I want to present this now. Sorry, I want to share this to my student and take poll. So what I have to do is go to this button and click here as share. Okay. Now in this share, you can send this a link to your students or QR to your student, and or they can directly go to from their mobile app. They can go to menti.com and wherein they have to put this code you have to share, and this code you have to uh, paste or put it in that menti.com site. Now let us try and do this. I have copied this code and I'm now going to menti.com. See, when you want to create a quiz, you have to go to mentimeter.com, and where you want to take votes from the student or take answers from the student, you have to go to menti.com. Okay, now if I put this my code and say submit, so the question has come now. I'm answering now as a student. Which method is the best method for learning according to you? If I say blended and say submit, so you have submitted your answer. Now let us go back to my presentation and just see if the vote has come here or not. Yes, you can see here which method is the best method for learning according to you. So if a number of students are answering who are whose opinion is online, face to face, blended, and according to most of the people which method they prefer, you can get to know. So you can prepare such type of polls, quizzes here, and use Mentimeter for in the formative type of assessment. Please, you can explore more type here. If you can see multiple choice in that, multiple choices, word cloud is there. All these things you can explore. So this was about Mentimeters .com. Now let us go to next tool called as Kahoot.